Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn data structures easily. Begin by focusing on the absolute fundamentals. Truly understand what an array is, how a linked list operates, and the basic principles behind stacks and queues. These are the building blocks, and a solid grasp of them will make more complex topics much clearer. Dedicate ample time to visualizing how data is stored and manipulated within each structure. This foundational knowledge is absolutely critical for your learning journey. Once you have a conceptual understanding, the next crucial step is to implement these data structures yourself. Pick a programming language you know well, like Python or Java, and start coding. Build an array, then a linked list, then a stack. This hands-on experience solidifies your theoretical knowledge and exposes you to the practical challenges of managing memory and pointers. It is through this active creation that true understanding begins to form. After implementing, dive into the algorithms that operate on these structures. Understand how to search, sort, and traverse data efficiently. Crucially, learn about Big O notation to analyze the time and space complexity of your solutions. This analytical skill is vital for writing optimized code. Compare different approaches, like a linear search versus a binary search, to see their performance differences in action. Finally, consistent practice is non-negotiable. Solve a wide variety of problems on platforms like LeetCode or HackerRank. Do not just get the correct answer. Understand why it works and explore alternative solutions. Regularly review your knowledge and revisit challenging concepts. Engaging with a community can also provide new perspectives and help solidify your understanding. This continuous effort will make you proficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.